Cars and trucks give us the freedom to move and explore as we want, when we want. But on our journeys, it's easy to forget that the only connection between our vehicles and the road are the tires that keep us grounded. That's why it's important that the tires are designed, tested, and built to take care of us and our environment. These are the main principles of Nokian Tyres. To produce tires that are safe and sustainable, tires that adapt to varying driving conditions, different vehicles, and the ever-changing world around us. We want to be part of our customers' journey, listen to their needs, solve their problems, and come up with outstanding solutions for a better and safer tomorrow. That's why it's important to understand the driving conditions and environments the tires are used in. We relentlessly work to find the most environmentally friendly ways to build our products for us and for the generations to come. The actual tire design work starts at the Nokian Tyres R&D Center in Nokia, Finland. Our experts, with decades of experience, make the drawings and computer simulations of the production candidates based on customer feedback, market research, and test results. There are several different product categories, types of vehicles, usage environments, and drivers. Every tire model needs to have its own individual design to fulfill the expectations of drivers and work flawlessly in all conditions. One of the most important and challenging parts of tire development is finding the perfect combination of raw materials. We at Nokian Tyres pay high attention to compounds as we are persistent in finding the mix that ticks all the boxes: safety, durability, performance, and sustainability. For us, it's important that our customers get the best possible products, knowing they're manufactured responsibly from start to finish. So don't be fooled to think that it's only the tread pattern design that defines the tire's features. The inner structure and compounding play a huge role in the tire's performance. When R&D has reached a point where the first production candidates are chosen, rounds and rounds of testing starts. Some of the testing is done in simulation, some in the indoor testing and laboratory facilities, but the most important part is the hands-on test driving in real-life conditions. The test drivers who have years and years of experience drive countless laps on different kinds of tracks. They work in close contact with R&D to make agile changes to the tire's performance to find the best solution for each product line. Nokian Tyres test centers in Spain and Finland provide a wide range of testing possibilities from the coldest winter to hottest summer heat, wet or dry. On top of this, testing is also done on public roads to refine features like durability and mileage. After R&D has made the final decisions on the compound, structure, and the tread pattern, the production starts. Tire production is a complicated process that takes precision, state-of-the-art machinery, and a high skill level to master. The three main phases of tire production are mixing, component manufacturing, and assembly. Mixing means combining different raw materials to form best compounds for all the tire's components. Nokian Tyres aims to be a leader in sustainable manufacturing, and we're committed to sourcing more and more recycled and renewable materials for all of our tires. Our goal is to be at 50% by the year 2030. The inner liner and tread components are built simultaneously with the sidewall components on high-precision production lines. While most of the work is automated, there is always a professional watching over the process, making sure it follows the blueprint of each tire model. The final assembly is an extremely accurate process with zero tolerance to errors. After the final assembly, the tire moves to a large oven where the tire gets its final form. We call this curing. After curing, every single tire is meticulously inspected by both automated processes and proficient personnel. And we make sure every product leaving the production line fits our strict quality standards. This way, we can be sure all of our tires are safe, reliable, and follow our strict rules of quality control. The tires are now ready to be shipped to stores across North America. From here on, the story of the tire continues to the drivers. You can be sure Nokian Tyres will be there for them in all conditions. The journey has just begun.